Okay guys, here we go. Last video of September. Happy almost October to you everybody. Pattern-collections.com is where we're going to go. We're going to go to pattern focus. Sorry, it's a little dark in here. Wow. The sun went away. Okay, that's better. Scroll down here, all the way down to the bottom. We want to use this one, Ziamag. And it says for the challenge to use a rice, drop, or loop in step number 3 instead of straight lines. So let's see what we can do with that. Apparently it is a grid pattern. So inside your grid, inside your one square of the grid, you're going to draw this. But on the grid itself, if you draw them all going the same direction, you get this. If you turn them, you'll get this. Or you can do what I'm going to do, which I think I'm just going to do one square. Simple, easy. So I'm going to draw a square. Inside my square, I'm going to make a rainbow-like shape. And then this step 3 is where we're supposed to change it into a drop or a loop or a something. We're going to make a different shape here instead of a straight line. And then we're going to aura that. And that's going to be it. Simple, easy, fast. And then I think I will embellish in here. Okay, so that's where I'm going to go with that. And what did it say? It said rice, drop, or loop. Okay, rice, drop, or loop. So let me write that down so I remember what I'm supposed to do in step 3. Rice, drop, or loop in step 3. Okay. We'll probably plan it out a little bit with pencil. Why not? Whew. The weather is coming in. We're getting some cloud cover. Got my windows open. Was hoping the birds would come by, but I don't see them. But that could be because the bird feeders are empty. Looks like we need to feed the birds. I'm going to just make myself a nice border all the way around that's all one size. Just so I get a nice, clean, straight line today. Why? I don't know. I could do it freehand. Woggly is fine with me, but apparently I want a nice border today. Radio. Let's draw that in. Going to use, where's my big pen? There's a 5, there's a 2, where'd my 7 go? Oh, right there in front of me. Ha 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 ha. Found it. I'm going to use a 07 to start with to make this border. I think we might get some rain today. That would be awesome. We have not had measurable rain in a very long time. We had one day of measurable rain while I was on vacation. About a 1/4 of an inch. And before that, I don't think we've had rain since, I don't know when. Couldn't tell you when was the last time we had rain. Well, I could tell you. I could look it up. Let me look on my app. This one. History. Does this one show me my history? Oh, this one doesn't. Oh, yes it does. Oh, no, 12-hour, 7-day. That's the forecast. That's not history. I want Patient details? No. That's not the right app. That one. That one should show me my backyard. I think. It's 91. Feels like 105. Doesn't feel that hot. Oh, that's because it still thinks I'm in Florida. Ha ha ha. It does not feel that hot. It is only 75. Can it tell me history? History, history, history. Oh well, poop. I can do it on my computer. Just tells me today. Does not tell me history. Well, I'll look it up later and I'll tell you guys when was the last time we had measurable rain. Anyway, that's neither here nor there, and you're not getting any thing here. How boring content is that? I just have boring content, and I'm sorry, but I do. We're gonna do a rainbow. And I'm gonna make this one wider at one end and skinnier at the other, just because I want to. And then we need to have a rice, drop, or loop. Well, if we do a loop, that will look funny. Let's just do a rice. Start with that. Okay. Change to a thinner pen. Going to do that and that, and then erase shape. And then aura that. Like this, and aura that like this. If you guys want to give this video a thumbs down because I spent so much time yammering on about weather and not drawing, that's okay with me. Go ahead. I understand. Sometimes I get distracted. A lot of times I get distracted. Let's do a thicker line here. Really thick in there. Like that. And let's do that inside here as well. That would be fun. Okay, and then let's do some sort of embellishment. Thinking perhaps On here, we're going to do some sort of something. Not exactly sure what I'm doing. But I'm doing that. What is that? I don't know. It is what it is. Some kind of beads or pearls or beans or something in here. Okay. And I want another one of those. I want these corners dark. Why? I do not know. I just do. Just enjoying myself. And then we're going to fill in between these orbs as well. I'm looking forward to Inktober. It's a lot of work to do Inktober, to do one every day. But I think I'm not going to be doing patterns every day. I'll do some patterns, but I don't think I'll do all patterns every day. I'm just going to use the prompts from the August and just kind of, do my own thing. See what happens. I'll leave it just like this, very simple. I don't think I'm even going to, I'm not even going to shade it. I think I'm good. Ziamag. Now you could use this and put it into a drawing, a bigger drawing with more squares. That would be fun also. But I like it just like that. Very simple, clean square. I like it. Alrighty. That was fun. I have just really enjoyed my day. I hope you guys have too. I will see you in the next month. And you guys have a great day. Do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one smile at a time. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.